Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Learn and Grow. I hope you all are fine. Natural disasters quiz part 3. Which natural disaster is measured on the Richter scale? The right answer is option B, earthquake. The Saffir-Simpson scale is used to measure The right answer is option D, hurricane intensity. When a large mass of snow, ice and rock slides down a mountain or the side of a hill, it is called The right answer is option B. What type of storm is known for its rotating column of air and can cause devastating damage? The right answer is option B. Which natural disaster is caused when any molten rock opens through the surface of the planet? The right answer is option C, volcano eruption. Which of the following is the most destructive type of wildfire? The correct answer is option A, crown fire. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye bye guys.